Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll continue assembling our Apollo spacecraft project, focusing on joining the side frames and booster frame together. To begin, we'll first assemble the two main side frames and then move on to attach the booster section. For this step, it's important that all three sections are completely finished. Before getting started, double check that there are no additional pieces left to stitch onto those sections. To join the side frames, it's crucial to keep everything well aligned throughout the process, especially at the start. Begin by positioning both frames side by side, ensuring they're properly aligned horizontally. I recommend using an office clamp to hold the opposite sides of the stitching run in place. This is especially helpful when working with longer sections like this one. With your thread prepared, use the cross-stitching method we previously demonstrated in the booster assembly videos from this series. When you reach the end of the side, go back 2 stitches to reinforce the seam. Then cut the excess thread, leaving a small amount to tie a few secure knots. This will ensure the stitching remains tight and durable. Repeat the same process on the other side to close the loop, giving the spacecraft its signature cylindrical shape. Next, use the same cross-stitching technique to attach the booster section to the side frames. During the initial stitches, maintaining stability might be a bit tricky since the back frame isn't fully secured yet. However, as you progress, the assembly will stabilize and the stitching will become easier and quicker. Once completed, the assembly should look like this, and your spacecraft is now ready for the next step, assembling the command module, which we'll cover in the next video.